What's going on, BSG? So, on the way to go get the COVID shot, me and my kiddo, yeah, it's gonna be a little experience. So, ride with me, and we driving your car? Huh? Okay. So, we're gonna jump in my truck and gonna ride and go get this thing done. So, come along. Clean up my truck a little bit. Oh shit. Yeah, I got one back there.
Dirty ass?
Okay, no, I ain't dirty. I just used it. I'm not changing that mask like that.
You do?
Not doing it. Okay. That's my kitty. One of them. Yep. So we're gonna do this little drive, and I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. All right, let's go. All right, good morning, sir.
Y'all here for the vaccine?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, just follow that truck. There's 2 lanes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah, me going the wrong way. All right. So now, it says 2 lanes over here. See all this? Everybody need mama out here to get this vaccine. Yeah. Oh, they can see it all. Oh, we can figure out what we're doing. We know what we're doing. That's what we do. Get my mask. Get your mask on over here. Donut eating, banana eating, coppers.
Stop doing that.
where they be doing the games at little river that they be on. I don't even know if y'all gonna even hear all this. Probably gonna block it out anyway.
I hope so.
Because we're gonna find out these guys right there information. It's nice as Mercedes over there. The Mercedes right there. How about that?
Where?
Right there. That white one.
Yeah. Did your QR code up? Well, I hope this goes because my screen kind of messed up. I might have to screenshot it and send it to you in case. That's what I'm gonna do in case it don't work right or something. Just in case I don't want to see. Accept it, please. Accept it. Okay, just in case. I should be fine. I guess I should put mine in there.
Guess we'll reset after this.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Do you have an appointment for today? All right, perfect. First dose or second?
Did be first.
First?
For both of us.
Okay, cool. Any exposure to anybody with COVID in the last 14 days?
Nope.
Any symptoms right now, like fever, cough, difficulty breathing?
No, sir.
Alrighty. Have you had any kind of other vaccine in the last 14 days?
No.
Perfect. If you'll just have your ID ready and your QR code, follow it around there, and they'll tell you where to go from here.
Thanks, sir.
Uh-huh.
Damn right. What do you know what I'm saying? Nothing but sheesh. He back there telling dude that.
What?
Yeah, me on YouTube. Oh man, he gonna take my face. That way looking at you. Look like you were saying.
How would he know about this? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Got no on all your questions, Brianna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This will be your first dose?
Yes.
Yep.
Doesn't matter which one.
Can I do the right arm?
Sorry, I gotta put one in and then save it.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right. And now we can go. Looks like you got no as well on yours. Yours first as well.
Yes.
Right, left arm.
Since we're on this side, we can do this left arm.
Okay, you guys were both feeling okay today?
Yep.
No problems with vaccines or allergic reactions?
No.
And no other vaccines in the last 2 weeks?
Nope.
All right, thank y'all.
All right. All right. Place the car and park. Roll window down and move. Watch your booty there, lady.
Relax, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Let the madness begin.
This is general information, and this is y'all's card, so fill out your name on them, and you're going to want to bring this back with you when you get your next one. And it should be around April 17th when you can start making an appointment. You should get the link or however they did it this time. Okay. Here, I'll let you get that, and I'm coming back.
Where's my? Doesn't matter.
No, you take a little.
I have to do this once I get to the car.
Yeah. Oh my God.
No need in whining now.
The right side.
Okay.
You want me to lean
That
forward?
side?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it okay if I open the door?
That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, I'm saying right now.
Okay. Make sure I don't drop anything. And just keep your arm relaxed. There you go, right there.
Ouch!
Stop! That's very close. He scared me.
You're so rude. You are so
Oh,
rude.
watch him cry when he gets this.
I hope so. I hope so. I don't like you.
Yes, sir.
Mom lied to me. I definitely did feel it. She said I didn't feel anything at all.
I don't like needles.
Good. I hope you cry. I hope she pokes you hard.
There you go. And just relax it. Don't jump, please.
I'm not.
1, 2, 3, poke. Don't cry, don't cry.
No, I didn't feel that.
And yours is even, so don't do it.
Oh.
Yeah,
Why
I
are
didn't
you
want you to get,
moving?
I didn't want
Oh,
you
shit
to
was
get,
already out.
She didn't tell you to move. What's wrong with you?
well, only because I didn't want to get blood on his shirt.
Yeah. Follow
So
instructions.
11:06, I'm writing on your face. You can move,
Okay.
now you can move.
All right, where we just park over here?
Yes, let me right there.
Okay.
Okay, so 15 minutes from that, y'all can leave, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Why did she say that?
I don't know. I was thinking the same thing. What she said, good luck.
Miss ma'am. Miss
What
ma'am.
we good looking about?
Watch them, daddy.
Oh, she better watch me.
Okay, sir.
Good luck. The hell they mean by good luck? All right, y'all. So we're gonna go over here and park for 15 minutes, and
Let's pay attention to
hopefully
Hold it down. Hold it down.
things ain't things are not nothing happens here. So let's we're gonna go park. All right, y'all. So guys, so we done waited out 15 minutes, me and my daughter, and now we are getting ready to leave here. I gotta say, we took the, what do you call it? Moderna shot. So in about I want to say 2 weeks to a month, I guess. I don't know. We'll do the second one, maybe 2 weeks, and we'll come back here and get our second dose done. And I gotta tell you, I felt a little funny after I got the shot. You know, about 5 minutes ago, I was still feeling funny. You know, but it done cleared up. So I guess I'm good to go. But this is gonna be the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and we're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.